this cold December day, we are on our merry way.
Hey everybody, and welcome to Vlogmas day number 2 for 2021. Coffee's ready. Let's do this thing. Where to publish your video can be just as important as the content itself. So, what are your platform options? Where does your audience live online? And what format should your content be to optimize for that platform? Let's talk about that. If you work in the IT services industry, check out our Facebook group, All Things MSP, the only Facebook group specifically dedicated to the business operations and business issues of managed service providers. To join, click the link in the description. There are a lot of options for where to publish your videos. YouTube, Vimeo are dedicated to video content, but social media platforms might get you more exposure to your target audience. YouTube is good because it's the second largest search engine behind Google, and videos posted there are found easily with search and can be linked to from web pages, social media posts, and other applications. YouTube is ideal for evergreen content. That's content you'll want to use repeatedly over time. The best format for video on YouTube is that 16:9, the same as your TV, landscape proportions in either 4K or 1080 resolution. Social media platforms, on the other hand, offer a way to share more time-sensitive content to target audiences. The best place to share on LinkedIn and Facebook are groups where your ideal customers hang out. Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok are good alternatives, but they require that you build a following, and you can't always control who follows you. Groups on Facebook and LinkedIn allow you to reach targeted audiences by industry, geography, interests, and more, without having to build a following. Groups like local chambers of commerce, downtown organizations, and other local business groups work very well. Now, it's important to point out that you should always follow the rules of any groups that you want to post in. It's pretty easy to get banned from a group for not following their rules around what you can and cannot post in that specific group. The format for social media varies by platform, but square or portrait orientations typically work better than wide format videos like the ones you're going to post on YouTube. LinkedIn, because of its business focus, is also a great place to post using your profile. I recommend making it a habit to try and connect with everyone you meet that might be a potential client or somebody in your business sphere that might influence or be able to refer you to other people. In summary, content that will be valuable for a long period of time should be recorded in a wide format and stored on YouTube. Videos with a limited lifespan should be recorded in the format appropriate for the social media platform you'll be posting it to. Thanks for watching. Join me for the rest of Vlogmas and beyond by liking, subscribing, and clicking that notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. Until next time, keep learning, work hard, and live well.
On this cold December day, we are on our merry way, riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow.